Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use one of the most underrated features on your iPhone, Spotlight Search. It's a super easy way to find apps, contacts, and emails. I'll show you how to use it and how to make sure it works the way it should. Some of you may have seen it pop up by accident, but didn't know what it was. You can access it by swiping down from the middle of your home screen. Just type what you're looking for, like the name of an app, someone in your contacts, even part of an email, and Spotlight will find it for you instantly. For example, if I type GarageBand, then the GarageBand app will show up here. And if I type Mom, it shows her contact, so you can call her or give her a message from here. And if I search for a keyword from an email, that message will appear too. No need to open each app manually. Here's the important part. Spotlight won't work well unless a few things are turned on. So let's check them. Okay, first we go to Settings. Then go to Siri and Search. Then scroll down and tap on the app you want Spotlight to search, like Contacts, Mail, or any other app you want result from. Okay, I'll use GarageBand as an example here. You have turned on these options. Show app in search, this one is a must. Show content in search, also essential. Learn from this app is optional, but it helps Siri and Spotlight personalize your results. Show on home screen, suggest app, and suggest notifications. These are optional. And by the way, Spotlight Search can do a lot more. I have only scratched the surface here. If you have found a cool or unusual way to use Spotlight, drop it in the comments below. I would love to learn from you, and so would everyone else. So that's how to use Spotlight Search to find apps, contacts, and emails, and how to make sure your iPhone is actually set up to let Spotlight do its job. Let me know in the comments if it works for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.